Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. This video is going to be called Size of Your Nodes. Your nodes only show up when you have the shape tool. And you can see, well, one, I've got a bad node there. I'm going to hit delete and get rid of it. You can see my nodes are quite large. But what the advantage of being quite large, you can see them when you have them picked. Now this is a curve, but if I right click and turn it into a cusp, my cusp is a triangle one, and I can change that. Only one side will move, so it's pretty cool. Now I can right click and turn it into a line, and now that line on that side and a curve on this one. So I can just move one. But that's done under Tools, Options, and CorelDraw. Normally it's going to come up like this and go down to Nodes and Handle. You can see I have a cusp, which is a triangle, but I'm going to change mine back to small. I don't like that big nodes. But you can see now, I can see my nodes. So it might help on some new people, but when you got a lot of drawings around, you might not want those nodes so big. Now, it is personal preference. Let's go to Tools, Options, CorelDraw. Let's make a medium, kind of go halfway. And that's not too bothersome. I might leave mine on medium now that I think about it. But your nodes only show up, and when you click on and you select all three of them, they're all going to show up. So when you move them, they'll all move. Well, I didn't have all three of them. But if you click on all three of them, they'll all three move. If you click on just two of them, that one there will stay. But see, you can see it's a cusp. So we're going to go to a smooth node now and see a smooth node. Both handles move. And that's good and bad when there's times when you don't want, I'm going to turn it back to a cusp. You don't want this line to move, but you want that line to continue out. So nodes. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.